asking you. Bigyan mo ng pangalan pag nagtanong ka.
I'm from
Where are
Hawaii.
you from, Bruce Wayne?
I'm from Hawaii.
Hawaii. No, he's from US. Bruce Wayne is from US.
How to say maganda ka?
In Tagalog. How to say maganda ka? It's Tagalog already.
How to say maganda ka in English? You're beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Baliktad.
So makulit. Kamusta? Kamusta guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, basahin mo. I am from
Fort Texas.
Texas. Yeah.
Taga Texas ka?
Yes, he's from Texas. His real name is Bruce Wayne.
She can call me
Bruce
Ryan Spaghetti. Hi, Ryan Spaghetti.
Yeah, what happened?
Got times.
Gusto ko ulit kumain.
Gabi na po.
Hi, Ryan Spaghetti. Can you say haha?
Hindi naman siya sobrang gwapo. Pero kung
Siya ang type na type ko. Bakit ba ganito? Ang nagdarama ng puso ko.
I don't know that.
What's that?
I am Anik. Ano yan?
Alin?
Anik.
Ano ba ang bango?
I am naitik. He's from
India. You're from India.
Milashka.
Milashka. Minalasha. Milashka.
Milashka ibig sabihin healthy.
Kim? Mommy?
Russian.
Mom? I have a bracelet. Tada! I have a bracelet. Tada! I have a bracelet. Wow! Ah. Can you say A, B, C, D? Yes. A, what is it? Yes. I can sing. Hindi kaya ganyan lang. I can sing. Look, I'm a singer.
Sing a song.
Bahay kubo kahit munti ang halaman na yun ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, kundol, patola, ubot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa lalangus, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid-ligid
Maraming linga. Yay!
See, I can sing.
Yeah, we can sing Tagalog song that is Bahay Kubo.
Real or paper?
Silence, please.
Real. Oh no, nasa na yung paki niya?